If you've been searching the Barbee chain of lakes region of northern Indiana for a profitable restaurant, campground facility, rental income property, lakefront home, or real estate, this auction has it all. Metzger Property Services presents these Kosciusko County properties just northeast of Warsaw at Little Barbee Lake, selling at auction October 10th. Selling as 3 individual tracts. The Lake Life restaurant is Tract 1, the lake home is Tract 2, and the campground facility with duplex is Tract 3. Address of Tract 1 is 3687 North Barbee Road, Warsaw, Indiana, and this property is 1.32 acres in size and features over 244 feet of water frontage. The Lake Life Restaurant Bar and Grill on Tract 1 has been completely remodeled, features 3 walk-in coolers, 3 full-service bars, seating for over 400 guests, and parking spaces for 120 vehicles. Restaurant patrons are welcome to multiple floors for dining, plus outdoor patio seating and rooftop deck area. 18 pier spaces are available to boaters, plus the dock includes a gas pump. Tract 2 is 0.33 acres at 3693 North Barbee Road, and this property includes 2 deeded pier spaces. With lake views on 3 sides, the home on Tract 2 has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a 2-car attached garage, and 3-car detached garage. An extensive list of interior and exterior updates includes roofing, siding, gutters, fence, and decking, plus lighting, landscaping, and carpeting. The campground is Tract 3, 1.69 acres in size, at 73 EMS B61 Lane, lots 1 through 15. The duplex on Tract 3 is 1,800 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom in each unit. The campground has 14 rented spaces for RVs or mobile homes, and the facility includes 15 pier spaces, plus boat launch into the channel. Water lines on Tract 3 are brand new, and this property has the potential for additional duplex units or mobile homes. With so much to see, you don't want to miss the inspection date, Monday evening, September 26th from 6 to 7 o'clock, or contact Tim Pitts at Metzger Property Services to schedule a private showing. Waterfront restaurant, lake home, campground, this fantastic opportunity in northern Indiana's Barbee chain of lakes will sell at on-site auction Monday evening, October 10th at 6 o'clock. Online bidding will also be available through the Metzger Property Services website. To find out more, call 260-982-0238 or visit the website metzgerauction.com.